Welcome to the world of culinary excellence, where passion meets precision and creativity knows no limits. Today, we're embarking on a journey that not only excites the palate, but also opens doors to financial success. Meet Chef Jackson, a culinary genius who has transformed his love for cooking into a flourishing empire. Once a humble line cook, Chef Jackson now operates a successful chain of restaurants, hosts a popular cooking show, and offers an exclusive line of gourmet products. But what led to this incredible transformation? It's not just about cooking. It's about building a brand, crafting unforgettable experiences, and grasping the business side of the culinary world. Being a chef today involves more than just mastering recipes. It's about innovation, entrepreneurship, and seizing opportunities. In this video, we'll uncover how being a chef can lead to wealth. We'll explore the secrets of culinary success, reveal the strategies employed by top chefs, and show you how to turn your culinary talents into a profitable career. From cultivating a loyal customer base to harnessing social media and expanding your brand, the opportunities are limitless. Whether you are an experienced professional or an aspiring home cook, this journey will motivate and empower you to dream big and aim high. So, put on your apron, sharpen your knives, and prepare for a culinary adventure that could transform your life forever. Hey, before we get started, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. And hit that notification bell so you never miss a tasty update. 1. Culinary skills as a valuable asset. Let me ask you this. What's that one skill you have in the kitchen that makes everyone say, wow? Share your answer in the comments below. Being a chef goes beyond just cooking. It's about crafting unforgettable experiences. With the right skills, you can find yourself in high-end restaurants, hosting exclusive events, or even becoming a highly sought-after private chef. Specialized skills, like creating artisan pastries or mastering sushi, can significantly increase your value. Picture yourself as the go-to chef for a celebrity or running a pop-up kitchen that everyone in town can't stop talking about. Your culinary skills are not merely a trade, they are a valuable asset that can lead to amazing opportunities. Every dish I create reflects my passion and commitment. It's about more than just flavor. It's about designing an experience that people will cherish. Whether you're honing your baking skills, diving into gourmet cooking, or blending cultures with fusion cuisine, each skill adds a distinct flavor to your culinary journey. Type in the comments, if you could specialize in one type of cuisine, what would it be? Which skill do you think is the most valuable? 1. Baking. 2. Gourmet cooking. 3. Fusion cuisine. Regardless of what you choose to specialize in, mastering your culinary skills can turn your passion into a thriving career. So, what's your culinary superpower? Let's get cooking and create a future where your talents truly shine. Now let's explore how these specialized skills can elevate your career. Take baking, for example. The art of baking is not just about following recipes, it's about precision, creativity, and innovation. As a talented baker, you can cater to upscale patisseries, open your own bakery, or even launch an online brand that delivers mouth-watering desserts worldwide. Gourmet cooking, on the other hand, paves the way to luxurious restaurants and exclusive dining experiences. Imagine designing a tasting menu that impresses the elite, or serving as a private chef for high-profile clients who seek unique, tailored culinary experiences. And then there's fusion cuisine, a captivating mix of flavors and techniques from various culinary traditions. As a fusion chef, you can carve out a niche market, drawing in food lovers who are always eager for innovative and thrilling dining experiences. Pop-up kitchens, food trucks, and boutique restaurants provide ideal settings to showcase your fusion creations. No matter which path you take, the essential factor is to keep refining your skills and stay inspired. The culinary landscape is constantly changing, and the opportunities are limitless. Your passion and commitment will not only make you an exceptional chef, but also a thriving entrepreneur. Let us know, what's your culinary aspiration? Do you envision yourself as a pastry chef, a gourmet specialist, or a fusion innovator? The journey to culinary success is as varied as the flavors you create. From cultivating a loyal customer base to utilizing social media and growing your brand, every move you make contributes to your culinary legacy. Keep in mind, your kitchen skills are your most valuable asset, and with the right approach, they can lead you to remarkable wealth and satisfaction. Second, multiple streams of income for chefs. Here's an interesting fact. Many successful chefs don't depend on a single source of income. That's right. By diversifying your income streams, you can unlock amazing opportunities. Here are some creative ways chefs are earning money. 1. Hosting private dining events. Picture yourself creating personalized menus for exclusive dinner parties and intimate gatherings. This is a fantastic way to showcase your culinary skills in a unique and personal environment. 2. Selling cookbooks or recipes online. Transform your signature dishes into a stunning cookbook or sell individual recipes on your website. Share your culinary secrets with the world. 3. Running YouTube channels. Similar to this one, where chefs share recipes, cooking tips, and behind-the-scenes content. YouTube ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales can bring in substantial revenue. 4. Collaborating with brands. Team up with food and kitchen product brands to highlight their offerings. These partnerships can vary from sponsored posts to complete product lines. Imagine earning from YouTube ads, sponsorships, and selling your own sauces or spice mixes. Doesn't that sound fantastic? Let's explore each of these opportunities in more detail. Hosting private dining events gives chefs the chance to create intimate, tailored experiences. You can charge a premium for the personalized service and unique menu. It's a wonderful way to connect with clients and cultivate a loyal following. Writing and selling cookbooks is another profitable avenue. Share your journey, tips, and recipes with a broader audience. Cookbooks can be sold online, in bookstores, or even as digital downloads. Running a YouTube channel can be an enjoyable and lucrative venture. You can express your passion, build an audience, and earn money through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. It's also a fantastic way to display your personality and connect with viewers from all over the globe. Brand collaborations present another thrilling opportunity for income. Teaming up with well-known brands can boost your credibility and visibility. From sponsored content to launching product lines, the options are limitless. If you were to create your own food product, what would it be? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you're enjoying these ideas, please hit the like button. It really helps this video reach more food enthusiasts like you. By having multiple income streams, you can build a diverse and resilient career. It's all about using your skills and passion in various ways to unlock your full potential. Let's hear from Chef Jackson about their journey. One of the best choices I made was to diversify my income sources. It began with private dining events, And before long, I was writing cookbooks and partnering with brands. Each new venture opened doors and helped me expand my brand. Regardless of the path you take, the essential thing is to keep refining your skills and stay motivated. The culinary landscape is constantly changing, and the opportunities are boundless. Your passion and commitment will not only make you an excellent chef, but also a thriving entrepreneur. Tell us, what's your culinary aspiration? Do you envision yourself as a pastry chef, a gourmet specialist, or a fusion innovator? The path to culinary success is as varied as the flavors you whip up. From cultivating a loyal customer base to harnessing the power of social media and growing your brand, each step you take contributes to your culinary legacy. Keep in mind that your kitchen skills are your most valuable asset, and with the right approach, they can lead you to remarkable wealth and satisfaction. Real-life success stories. Let's explore some chefs who transformed their culinary aspirations into riches. These motivating tales demonstrate that with creativity and perseverance, the possibilities are endless. And who knows, you might be the next one. First on the list is Gordon Ramsay. Renowned for his fiery demeanor and high standards, Gordon Ramsay has established a culinary empire. Through his restaurants, television shows, and product lines, he has become one of the richest chefs globally. His journey from a young apprentice to an internationally acclaimed chef showcases the power of hard work and unwavering ambition. Let's draw inspiration from this powerful quote by Gordon Ramsay. Push yourself. Nobody else is going to do it for you. This reminder emphasizes that success starts with self-motivation. Take charge of your goals and don't wait for others to push you forward. Your determination is your greatest driver. Next, we have Dominique Ansel. The mastermind behind the cronut, Dominique turned his inventive pastry into a worldwide phenomenon. His bakery, which started as a small shop in New York, has now expanded internationally, drawing food enthusiasts from around the globe. His journey illustrates how a single creative idea can revolutionize your career and leave a lasting mark. Now let's find motivation in this insightful quote from Dominique Ansel. Success is about passion and the people you share it with. This reminds us that true success isn't just about achieving goals. It's about pursuing what you love and sharing the journey with those who matter. Passion fuels your drive, and the right people make the journey worthwhile. Which of these success stories resonates with you the most? Or do you have a favorite chef who inspires you? Feel free to share in the comments. These narratives highlight that the culinary realm is brimming with opportunities for those who dare to dream and put in the effort. Whether you're inventing a new culinary creation, building a brand, or stepping into the media spotlight, the potential for success is immense. What's your dream? How do you plan to turn your love for cooking into a successful career? Remember, every accomplished chef began with a vision and the drive to make it happen. With the right attitude, you can achieve amazing things. Keep striving, keep creating, and always believe in yourself. The path may be challenging, but the rewards are truly fulfilling. You have the ability to shape your future and leave a mark in the culinary industry. So, what's the key to becoming a successful chef? It's a blend of passion, innovation, and a business mindset. The road may be tough, but believe me, it's worth every second. If you're ready to embark on this journey, don't hesitate to subscribe. I'm here to support you with advice, motivation, and much more. Remember to like, comment, and share this video with your fellow food enthusiasts. Let's encourage more people to make their culinary dreams come true. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.